A pair is a simple fixed container for holding two related values. While it's not very complicated and it's not often used on its own, it is used by a number of other classes in the STL. So here I have a working copy of working.cpp from chapter 10 of the exercise files. I'm going to start out by including the utility header, because that's where pair is defined. You normally won't need to include utility directly. It'll usually be included by any class that uses pairs. And we'll go ahead and we'll define a pair of integers. So the pair class is a template type with two types, one for each of the values. In this simple example, both of the values are declared as int. And the values are named first and second and are directly accessible as public data members. So I'm going to come here and I'm going to say first is p.first and second is p.second and an endl. And now when I build and run, you see it says first is 5 and second is 47. So you access the members of the pair directly, the public data members. You don't need to use accessors to get at first and second. Like I said, it's an incredibly simple template class. And of course, I can use a different type for either of these. If I want to, say, include a container type, we can use a string, which is a container type. And I can just make this second one string and change that value to a string. And now when I build and run, you see it says first is 5 and second is, this is a string. So pairs are very handy. They're commonly used within the STL. You'll see a number of examples of them in the rest of this chapter.